Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit given. Assume that the op amp of the figure is ideal. If Vi is a triangular wave, then V0 will be square wave, triangular wave, parabolic wave, sine wave. What will be the right answer for this question? If input is triangular wave, what will be the output waveform? So look at this circuit. The circuit consisting of a capacitor C over here. Okay. Circuit consisting of a capacitor C and R. So we know that there is no current is flowing into the input terminals of op amp. Current flowing through the inputs of op amp is going to be always 0 because of very high input impedance of op amp. So always we can assume the current entering into the non-inverting and inverting terminals is always 0. So by that time, whatever the current flowing through this capacitor, say it as IC. IC is the current flowing through the capacitor that is going to be always flows through the resistor. So current flowing through a resistor is same as current flowing through the capacitor, because no current is going to be entertained into the inputs of op amp. So because of this reason, we can say that IC is equal to IR. IC implies nothing but we can write C into dVc divided by dt. Vc is nothing but voltage across capacitor. IR is nothing but current flowing in resistor. The direction is indicated in that way. So this is 0 minus V0 divided by R. According to the direction, the current is flowing from 0 to V0. So we are going with 0 minus V0. And Vc is nothing but voltage across capacitor, that is the difference. Vc plus minus, current is flowing in this direction. So that Vi minus 0, Vc is nothing but Vi. So you can write it as C into dVi by dt is equal to minus V0 by R. From this equation we can write V0 is equal to minus RC into dVi by dt. So the meaning is nothing but V0 is proportional to dVi by dt. dVi by dt. Okay. Minus sign. Minus is nothing but 180 degrees phase shift. So you are going to get this one, proportional to minus dVi by dt. So the circuit is going to be act as differentiator. Circuit is going to be called as differentiator. So output is differentiation of input signal. Output of this circuit is nothing but differentiation of input signal. So this circuit is also called as differentiator. So for a differentiator, if you give a triangular wave at that time, what will be the output? Okay. So triangular wave is going to be looks like this one. So I am going with a triangular wave over this way. I am writing what will be the input and output waveform separately. This is for Vi and it is for V0. So triangular wave is going to be, let us assume this is the triangular wave given, and for that one what will be the output signal we will go with. This is from 0 and let us assume it is nothing but t1 and it is nothing but t2 like this. This is what time. Okay. So for Vi, triangular wave is nothing but is it, can we say that one, it is slope of this one, for example a1 times of t. Can I write like this? It is positive going signal, so that this is going to be a straight line equation which is nothing but with respect to t, a1 into t you can write. Since it is positive going, so that slope is positive, and it is symmetrical, so that this one you can write it as minus a1 into t, because it is negative going signal, decreasing signal, so slope is negative. So whenever you are going for the V0, differentiation of above, differentiation with respect to t is nothing but you will get a constant, that is slope you will get. Differentiation of a1 into t is nothing but a1. So but you have to multiply with minus, so that implies nothing but up to t1. Up to t1 you will get, okay, minus a1. So like this the waveform up to t1. that is minus a1, and from t1 to t2 it is minus a1 is the slope. Minus a1 into t, take differentiation, you will get minus a1, and that minus has to be multiplied with this minus because if I inverting op amp. So now that will become plus a1. So you are going to be getting this situation until this one. Again you are going with positive slope, that makes minus a1. So this will be looks like square waveform. So if input is triangular, output is square wave. Okay. Otherwise also you can tell this is square waveform. It is a ramp signal. For a ramp, differentiation is going to be a constant. So you are going to get constant. The constant values depends on the slope. So for a differentiator, if you give triangular wave, you will get square waveform. If you give square, you will get a impulse. Okay, a train of impulses you will get. So the right answer for this question is A.